In today's digital age, our lives are intricately intertwined with the online world. We shop, bank, and connect with loved ones, often unaware of the lurking dangers. Data breaches are a growing threat to our privacy and security. Hackers target businesses and individuals stealing personal information. These breaches can have devastating consequences. Imagine your identity stolen or your bank account drained. The aftermath can be financially crippling and emotionally draining. Knowledge is power. Take proactive steps to protect yourself. This essay will equip you with the tools to navigate the digital landscape safely. Remember, your data is valuable. Protect it to safeguard your identity and peace of mind. In the digital fortress of your online life, passwords are the gatekeepers. Yet many of us unknowingly leave our gates wide open with weak, easily guessable passwords. A strong password is your first and most crucial line of defense against data breaches. Think of your password as a lock on your front door. A flimsy lock is an open invitation to trouble. Similarly, a weak password is an easy target for hackers. Avoid common passwords like password 123 or QWERTY. These are the first combinations hackers will try. Instead, opt for long, complex passwords that are at least 12 characters long. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Think of a phrase or a line from your favorite song and create an acronym using the first letter of each word. Remember, each account should have a unique password. Don't make it easy for hackers. If they crack one password, they shouldn't gain access to all your accounts. By creating strong, unique passwords, you're building a robust defense against unauthorized access. Creating strong, unique passwords is essential, but remembering them all can feel like an impossible task. That's where password managers come to the rescue. These handy tools act as secure digital vaults for all your passwords. Imagine having a personal assistant who remembers all your passwords and automatically fills them in for you. That's essentially what a password manager does. You only need to remember one master password to access the vault, and the password manager takes care of the rest. Password managers offer numerous benefits. They generate strong, random passwords, eliminating the need to come up with your own. They store your passwords securely using encryption to protect your data. They also sync your passwords across multiple devices, so you're always prepared, whether you're on your computer, tablet, or phone. Numerous reputable password managers are available, both free and paid. Take the time to research and choose one that best suits your needs. Once you start using a password manager, you'll wonder how you ever lived without one. Imagine someone trying to break into your house. Now imagine your house having two locks instead of one. That's the essence of two-factor authentication, or 2FA. It adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts, making it significantly harder for unauthorized access. With 2FA enabled, even if a hacker manages to steal your password, they still need a second factor to gain entry. This second factor is typically a unique code sent to your phone or email address or generated by an authentication app. Think of it as a secret handshake that only you and the service provider know. By requiring two forms of authentication, 2FA significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, even if one of your credentials is compromised. Many online services now offer 2FA, including email providers, social media platforms, and financial institutions. Enable it whenever possible, especially for accounts containing sensitive information. It's a small step that can make a big difference in protecting your digital life. Section 5. Staying ahead of the game, monitoring your digital footprint. In the vast digital landscape, our personal information is scattered across numerous websites and platforms. Monitoring your digital footprint is crucial to detect and mitigate potential data breaches. Credit monitoring services can track your credit reports for suspicious activity, alerting you to potential identity theft. These services often provide identity theft insurance for added peace of mind. Set up alerts for new account openings, credit inquiries, or changes to your personal information. Regularly review your bank and credit card statements for any unauthorized transactions. Report any discrepancies to your financial institution immediately. Keep an eye on your social media accounts for unusual activity. such as posts you don't remember making or messages sent from your account without your knowledge. By proactively monitoring your digital footprint, you're essentially setting up a security system around your online presence. You'll be alerted to suspicious activity, allowing you to take immediate action and minimize potential damage. Section 6. Have you been PU'd? Checking for past breaches. Data breaches happen every day, and it's possible that your information has been compromised in the past without you even knowing it. Websites like Have I Been PU'd offer a valuable service by allowing you to check if your email address has been involved in known data breaches. Think of it as a digital checkup for your online accounts. Simply enter your email address and the website will scan its database of billions of leaked records. If your email is found, it will show you the breaches it was involved in and the type of data that was compromised. Knowing if your information has been compromised in past breaches allows you to take immediate action. You can change your passwords for the affected accounts, monitor your credit reports for suspicious activity, and be extra vigilant against phishing attempts. Remember, knowledge is power. By using services like Have I Been PU'd, you're taking a proactive step towards understanding your online security posture and taking necessary precautions. Section 7. Outsmarting the scammers, phishing and cyber threat awareness. Phishing tricks individuals into revealing sensitive information. Cyber criminals disguise as legitimate organizations like banks or social media. They create urgency or enticing offers to lure you into clicking malicious links. Be cautious of unsolicited messages requesting personal information. Check the sender's address for inconsistencies. Report suspected phishing attempts and delete the message immediately. Section 8. Stay vigilant, stay safe, a call to action. In today's digital age, online security is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. The threat landscape is constantly evolving, and so should our defenses. By adopting the practices outlined in this essay, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim of data breaches and cyber threats. Remember to create strong, unique passwords for all your accounts and use a password manager to keep track of them. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, adding an extra layer of security. Monitor your digital footprint regularly, checking for suspicious activity and taking immediate action if you notice anything unusual. Stay informed about the latest cyber threats and scams. Knowledge is your best defense against falling victim to phishing attempts and other malicious activities. By staying vigilant, proactive, and informed, you can navigate the digital landscape safely and confidently, protecting yourself and your valuable information. Remember, online security is a shared responsibility. By working together and adopting best practices, we can create a safer online environment for everyone.